just what you came to see. Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. It's Sugar here, and today we're going to be doing a little recap and review of Eliana, our little update. I've been wearing her for a week and a half now, and so I'm going to give you some of my thoughts and some of the things that I'm doing to make this wig even better. So once again, this is Eliana in 1B, and if you watched the last video, if you haven't, there's a video where I did the initial review and I tweezed her and I showed my process from beginning to end on how I installed her. I did notice some tangling. Obviously it's long, it's synthetic, that's gonna happen, but I felt like we can make her better and more flowy because sometimes she feels a bit heavy to me. So I've actually thinned one side of this wig and it improved it so much. I think it's definitely something you should think about doing if you have a wig that's tangling quite often and it just feels heavy and it's just too much hair, but you don't want to lose length. And that's the beautiful thing about thinning the wig the way I did, and I will share that with you in just a moment. But I wanted to see if you could tell which side has been thinned and which that side has not. So that side, finger comb. So we got some tangling on that side. So if you cannot tell, this side has been thinned and this side has not. And I don't know if you could tell, but it just looks a little bit heavier. When it falls, it's more chunky. It just moves a lot more like human hair rather than that, if you can see the difference, right? So this big ball is what I have taken from this side of this wig. And as you can see, it still has a good thickness, but it's more realistic. And I feel like even on the ends, if you can see, this side looks a lot better than this side. And I have not straightened or did anything to this hair. My fingers are going through this side much better and I'm able to toss it. Whereas if I get to tossing this side too much, you might get a little hung up. It's not bad, but see, you will get hung up. So I'm gonna show you what I did to make the wig better. So you split the hair down the middle so you have two even sections, right? And since we already did that, we're gonna put that one back. I would say I took a good 3 to 4 sections out of this hair, and they were about this big. You're going to comb them out really good. What you will need is thinning shears, and you can get these from the beauty supply store, maybe 12, and they go up from there because there are some really pricey ones. But I got mine off of Amazon. They were about $8, and they look just like this. They have the comb on the top blade and then a straight blade on the bottom. And always keep this comb one on top. That's major because this one back here is cutting that straight line and you don't want that to be on top. So you're going to do 3 sections of cutting, and what you do is you start here. So that's 1, in the middle that's 2, and towards the end that's 3, and then you just brush it out. And this is the hair for just 1 section, and as you go along you can go back and do that as many times as you want to. Okay, so 1 big hairball later, we are all done, and I think it looks so much better. The flow of it is so much better. It's more lightweight and it will not tangle as bad. So other than the tangling, I really have not had any issues with this wig. It's super quick, fast, super quick to put on because it's just that part where you're gonna rub your little, you know, got to be or whatever right across there, sit her on, and you're ready to go. Yeah, I really do love this wig. And again, I do love how long she is all around. I'm looking in the mirror, but I think I do want to layer her a little bit more for my face. So what I'm going to use for that is going to be just a razor comb that you get at your beauty supply. I'll be using the one that has the longer comb because there's a shorter comb on one side and a longer comb. I like to use that one because I can work my way to where I want to be rather than just that's it. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know if I wanted to start at the chin or if I want to be more casual about it and do it collarbone length. We're gonna start off collarbone. If that's not giving me what I need, I'll go up higher. So again, like I said, the longer blade is what I'll be using. And I'm just going to gradually go down. I think I'm gonna go in with the short blade because it's taking a little bit too long for me. So I'm gonna go on in. So that's where that's coming down. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher, more so right here. I think that's, you can see compared to this side, it's more natural. It's not like boom layers, but it's gradual and soft enough to soften it up a bit for me. I think that's soft and good. If I want it more, I would do it after I've worn it like this and I say, okay, yeah, I need to be a little bit more in the front, but I think that's good. So let's take it down. I just feel like that's a little bit better, a little bit more playful for me. So say for instance, I pin it up, I will have these little pieces that frame my face, which I really like. So it's not super dramatic, it's more natural, but it is a more playfulness than just boom, just long like that on me. So I like that a lot more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any more questions about this wig, please feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and until next time, stay sweet.
Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing.